comes off the mat, step back into your down dog. Coming into pigeon pose, bring your right knee towards your right wrist, right ankle towards your left wrist, left leg extends long back, aiming for that right shin to be parallel. Thinking about squaring off through your hips here. And we're not going to fold forward, we're just going to hold here in our pigeon pose. Bringing your hands to your hips to square off those hips. So tendency here is for that left hip to be lifting up slightly. See if you can bring your hands to your hips and square them off if you feel like that's happening. You've got the option to bring your palms towards your side and then lift through your chest, taking a gentle back bend. It's just an option, take it or leave it. Come forward and lift yourself up out of your pigeon pose, switching sides. Bringing that left knee towards your left wrist, left ankle towards your right wrist, right leg extends long back. Again, aiming for that parallel shin. Same thing on this side, thinking about squaring off your hips. So tendency on this side would be your right hip lifting up. Option to take that gentle back bend if you would like. And beginning to come out of your pigeon pose, lifting yourself up into your downward dog. Inhale, shift